Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the metal post is beyond repair. If it flexes where welded or is rusted through, replace it. Begin by cutting off any attached panels and removing concrete collars with a saw or grinder. This exposes the base. Once exposed, dig around the footing to reveal the post bottom and clear 6-8 inches of soil. Make sure to call for utility locate before you dig. You want a clean work area, so the new sleeve seats properly and concrete bonds. Now you fit the replacement sleeve or new post into the hole. If you're sleeving, push it over the old stub until it bottoms out. Brace the post with 2 X4s and clamps while you check plumb in 2 directions. Minor adjustments now save major headaches later. Add a 1 to 2 inch pea gravel base for drainage and to prevent sitting water. Once plumb, mix the 60 lb quickset concrete per instructions. You need continuous motion so the batch stays usable and sets uniformly. Pour concrete around the sleeve to about 2 to 3 inches below grade, then tamp to remove voids and smooth the top so water runs away from the post. Make sure braces remain tight and the post stays plumb while the concrete sets. This is why you aligned earlier. Once cured, usually 24 to 48 hours, reinstall panels and check hardware. If you notice movement after curing, tighten the braces and add a low-sag epoxy or another concrete pour. Corrosion at the base means replace post completely to avoid repeat failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.